started. And here's our four keys. This one is the direction key. This pump can clockwise rotation and counterclockwise rotation. This is a full speed key. This one is the mode key. This one is the start and stop. And first, when you start this pump for use, you should set some parameters in the settings. Press this button. In the setup, you should choose your pump head and the tubing. In the pump head interface, this will show all adaptable pump head for this model of pump: YZ15, YT15, WMD15, YZ25, and YT25, and the DG series, DT series, and the DT. In today's video, I will use the YZ50, so I chose the YZ50. And in the left side, it will show the suitable tubing for this pump head. Return and choose the tubing. Here are different tubing. In this tubing interface, the suitable tubing will automatically chosen after you choose the pump head. For YZ15, here are 4 suitable tubings, like 13, 14, 19, and in the left side will show the main flow and the max flow. I will choose the 17 and back, and some other settings like anti-drip and anti-speed. Anti-drip and anti-strip is mainly used for prevent the liquid dripping from the tubing when you finish one transfer.